Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour today on a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage.
Alright, now that we're on board this 23 Vantage, this boat has a brand new Mercury V8 300 Verado. Very fuel efficient, super quiet. We walk through here, you see that we have a nice starboard side walkthrough, battery charger, freshwater shower. There's some rod storage right there. It's a great boat for your family and friends. Do some fishing, do some water sports, go cruising, go to lunch, go to dinner. Like, you got a nice freshwater hand basin here with a pull-out sprayer, a Yeti cooler, dedicated storage underneath. And I love all the seating that this boat has. It's an offshore hull, a family-style boat. Dynamic seating, so you can turn this right here into a lounger. Storage under all the seats. Then we got a captain's chair here, vented back. Mercury Smartcraft digital throttle shift. This also has a 4-inch new vessel view. Aircraft style toggles on the dash, as well as trim tabs. Seating up in the bow. Freshwater shower up here. Grab handle, recessed cleats. Anchor locker with a forward boarding ladder here. Ski storage right there. And then this boat has also have the optional upgraded toilet. So we got a vacuum flush head system on this boat, freshwater sink and shower, as well as overboard discharge. Guys, this boat is available at MarineMax Pompano Beach.
Hey, thanks for taking this walkthrough tour of a 2019 Boston Whaler 23 Vantage. It's Justin Costello. You can reach me at 954-633-2070. Again, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach.